Hello and welcome to Model Rail programme number 14, which is designed to be enjoyed right alongside your monthly Model Rail magazine. We've got an exciting mix of layouts, technique, demonstrations and archive film, which all go together to help you enjoy this great hobby of ours even more. In this programme we focus on the club scene at Bletchley, and we're at a station too, although it's not a railway station, for this is the legendary Station X at Bletchley, where in the war the best of British brainpower cracked the Enigma code used by German submarines to such devastating effect in the Atlantic. It's generally accepted that the work of the experts here shortened the war by several years, and it was only in the 1980s that it became widely known just what went on here and how very important this site is. Threatened not too long ago with demolition for housing development, the site is now owned by a trust, and all these old buildings are used for a variety of leisure amenities. One of them houses the Milton Keynes Model Railway Society. I know model railway clubs aren't everyone's cup of tea, but if you're prepared to take a little time and be the new boy, it's surprising just how quickly you'll settle in. Club membership gives those who don't have the time, money, or even the space for their own layout the chance to get the benefits of some pooled resources and some great friendships too. Just like Model Rail, Milton Keynes Model Railway Society provides something for everyone, outdoors as well as indoors, and from N gauge to gauge 1. There's even some standard gauge signal equipment here. But before we get distracted by all that's here, and that's quite a lot, let me tell you a bit about what's coming up in the programme. First, we'll take a look at Mark Agnew's Bucksfield, a modest-size, modern image O-gauge layout. And Chris Lee will be filling the pond that he made in programme 13, using one of the water products available as a reader offer in the magazine. There's also a chance to look at no fewer than 2 layouts of historic models, 3-rail Hornby Dublo and Trix Twin. Both have been out of production for around 40 years now.